Hey guys, welcome back to jamalsTUBE Cruise Rising Soul. Just an update in regards of my current situation with jamalsTUBE. I've brought in an editor, well, not really, a trainee for him to become an editor for jamalsTUBE, but there's still a lot of things for him to learn, so I can't really rely on him just yet in terms of setting up a proper video with proper edits. It's gonna take some time, so I've realized that I still have to carry on with editing and with making videos for you guys. I just want to apologize for now for the fact that I have not really uploaded a lot of, one, member videos, and second, my subscriber videos. I have a lot of plans. It's just that right now, because it's still within my first few months of being a Mitsubishi car sales consultant, it's gonna take me some time for me to be able to manage my time, honestly, because I'm still learning in regards of processes. Even in terms of cars, this month alone, I did try to only get one sale, but I got three units sold this month, the month of June. So as a beginner, to go through with 3 sales, which is, I'm not complaining, but I'm just saying that each car sold requires a certain mental capacity processing, so that, you know, everyone is taken care of. So it's not really easy. Once I know the handle of it, then it's gonna take much easier time for me to process a few customers in one go. As a result, I'm still learning, and I'm supposed to be training for my first month, not selling. But I've already sold 3, so good on that. In the coming weeks and months, I will be focusing on actually making more videos for you guys. YouTube is still my long-term goal. It is still going to be my full-time job eventually. I've recently purchased a drone, as you can see from a few shots over here. The drone is going to be quite helpful for me to make scenic videos and different places to go ahead and visit. That's costing quite a bit, and being a full-time YouTuber right now, honestly, there's no money in it. Eventually my videos are going to be upgraded. I'm going to be coming up with more videos in terms of the places I go, shots of Malaysia, and my goal is to also go different parts of the world and record those moments. So I'll be bringing my drone. The other thing that I've purchased is also another DJI Osmo Action 6 camera. So that's gonna be used every time I go fishing. Every time I need a small camera, then I'll be carrying that. It's gonna be a much more easier setup to carry and to bring along. Right now, with my current setup, this is recorded with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I love it, but I don't like it because it's quite fragile. It's not waterproof. So with these 3 cameras that I just mentioned to you guys, they will be used more interchangeably that I'm about to be creating. I've noticed some of my members have left, perhaps because few weeks they have not been updated in terms of new videos. But that's okay, I understand. Sometimes you pay for premium, you expect premium. You don't expect me to become premium already. So I understand when they leave, but I'm hoping one day I can get back the ones that recently joined but decided not to stay. I still have about 5 to 6 members who have stayed on from day one, meaning they've subscribed for about 3 to 4 months already. So if you guys are watching this and you are those members, I will be sending you guys a t-shirt that will be a logo of jamalsTUBE Cruise Rising Soul. I'm gonna be sending it towards your location. Okay, so if you have not really contacted me on Instagram, not made you part of the close friends list on Instagram or Facebook, please drop me a message on social media, and I'll be updating, talking with you guys soon. And it's a small little gift for me to give to you guys. And it would be nice if you guys, once you start wearing the t-shirt, that you actually post it up, tag me on it, so that I can also show to other people your support for my small time channel. For now, I'm hoping to get more than, right now I have about 2,000 subscribers. Trying to aim for at least 5,000, 10,000. So once again, jamalsTUBE is going to be mixed of lifestyle, fish care, and I guess now car care as well. I'll be taking care of cars and talking about, in particularly, Mitsubishi. Perhaps I'll have different segments talking about electronic vehicles as well. You know, that's still planning stages. So thanks a lot, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in this small little video update of me on jamalsTUBE. I will see you guys. Hold up, there's a car coming. It's gonna about hit me, okay? Thanks a lot for tuning in for this video. I'll see you guys soon, and hoping to upload some videos in this coming week soon, okay? The next short week. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.